Determine the area that lies inside the curve r equals sine theta between the angles theta equals pi by 6 and theta is 2 pi by 3. Now if we wanted to, we could do a very, very quick sketch. Okay. Sine theta is a nice little circle. It's a little something like this. Pi by 6, very shallow angle. And 2 pi by 3, something like that. So, this is the area that we're talking about here. Okay. But we don't need a picture because we've got a formula. Right? The formula bound between angles alpha and beta of the curve r equals f theta. Is given by this formula here, and we just need to plug everything in. So we're going pi by 6, 2 pi by 3, 1/2, and it's sine theta, so we're just going to integrate with sine squared theta. Okay. Now, how do we integrate even powers of sine? Okay. Well, we need to change our sine squared into a nicer expression. So we use some trig identities. We can rewrite sine squared theta as 1 minus cos 2 theta all over 2. Okay, we can bring the over 2 out. And now our task is just to integrate 1 minus cos 2 theta. And that's not hard to do. So integrating 1 just goes to theta. We'll evaluate that between pi by 6 and 2 pi by 3. Minus, okay, antiderivatives of cosine look like sine, so we might guess sine 2 theta. But if we differentiate that to double check, we'll get an extra times 2, so we divide by 2 to correct for that. Okay. And now we just need to evaluate this expression. And that will be the area we seek. So 2 pi by 3 minus pi by 6. We might change it to 4 pi by 6 just to make our lives a little easier in a moment. Okay, and then it was minus sine 2 theta over 2. That's going to be minus, we bring a 1/2 out here. Sine 2 times 2 pi by 3 is sine 4 pi by 3. And then sine 2 times pi by 6 is sine pi by 3. So we get 1/4. 3 pi by 6 is just pi by 2. And now we have to think, okay, sine 4 pi by 3. Do we know what that is? Well, sine pi by 3 is root 3 over 2. And 4 pi by 3, 3 pi by 3s would be pi, so we go down a little bit. So we should get negative root 3 over 2. Okay. So we get pi by 8 minus, we can take out a factor of 1/2 here. And we can combine that with this 1/2 to make 1/4. Combine it with this 1/4 to make 1/16. Okay. Take out a factor of minus 1 from there, and that'll cancel out with this minus sign to get a plus. And then we've got 2 root 3s in there. So pi by 8 plus root 3 over 8. Or I suppose you could say pi plus root 3 all over 8. And that is the area we were asked for.